In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the sell function to return the sheet name of the sheet that you're working in, which is super helpful if you have a workbook with multiple sheets and you want a title or a cell to change based on the name of the sheet that it's in. To do this, to equal cell, and then press tab or open parentheses to open the function. Now you want to click on file name, so arrow down to where it highlights over file name, and then press tab again where it fills in the file's name. The next option, which is optional, which you can tell by how it's in brackets, is the cell reference, which is not necessarily needed for this because we're just trying to pull the file name of the cell that it's in right now. So close parentheses, and as you can see, this is the file name or the file path of the workbook that this is in. Now, this will return a value error if your sheet is not saved, so make sure that your sheet is saved before doing this. And as you can see, the very last piece of this is the name of the tab that I'm in. So I can just put this in a text after function, which basically just puts apart the text. Hey, I want the text after the last bracket. And no, not the open one, but the closed one, for example. Apologies. As you can see, this returns January, which in the original file path is the last piece of the file path. And I can copy and go to each tab. And as you can see, it updates with the file path as kind of showing it real quick without the text after. It's the last bit of this file path. And I can take this a step further if I want to. For example, I can even add the year by saying, well, I don't want the text, just text after of the file path. I also want 2026, right? So I can say equals today to get today's date. And I can say, well, what year is it? That's a year function 2026. And I want this in a number format, so I can go to home, not date, but number 2026. I can concat this, for example. So the concat function just gets two strings of text and puts it together. So I can do equals concat. This function, which pulls the file or tab name with the year function that I just put on, and as you can see, it gets me January 2026. I can add a space in the cat function as well. And as I can see, now with this, it's not only just pulling the file or tab name, but it's also pulling the year that I'm in based on today's date. So that's it. We found this to be helpful. Hopefully this makes updating your sheets a bit easier. And if you like this, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.